going to need to make your Dollar Tree wreath are some of these bulbs from Dollar Tree, some glue sticks, a hot glue gun, and a wreath frame. Now they sell these all year round in all different shapes and sizes.
Hold up,
I'm just going to start. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on my bulb at the base, and I'm just going to stick it in the middle between these two wires, just like I'm showing you here. And I'll just continue doing that. Now you can do it in any order you want, in any design that you want, in any color that you want. I try to use what bulbs I had. I had picked up some red and green. I also had a few gold and silver on hand, so I used those as well. But you can make this as large as you want and as colorful as you want. You also can add lights to it if you'd like to do that. But I'm going to put it on time lapse and I'll show you what it looks like.
but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance all night.
As you can see now, I'm starting to go into the second row, and I just continue to add my bulb. You want to make sure to add hot glue to the bulbs that your other bulb is touching, so you can see that I'm doing that in the video as well. So you just continue doing that, and you put it in whatever type of color you want, or like I said, design that you want, or however you want to do that.
My friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
As you can see, as I add them to the second row, I'm adding hot glue to the tops of both of those rows, and I'm adding larger balls to it just to give it a little bit more dimension and a little bit of a neat design.
have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I'm sorry, I actually thought I was filming when I wasn't. So this is the finished product. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you'll try to make your own wreath from Dollar Tree products.